Step 1. Open the packaging box. Take out the packaging bag containing the flower cups, upper hooks, and lower hooks. Take out one flower cup, one upper and one lower hooks to assemble a single ring chain part. The hook is inserted into the opening of the flower cup by pressing. This process can be completed with pliers. Take an upper hook, link to the lower hook of the assembled ring chain, and assemble the ring chain in the order of upper hook, flower cup, and the lower hook. Repeat the second step 23 times to complete the assembly of the entire ring chain.